Hi lovelies, I made this delicious corn dog for my family. They enjoyed it, so I thought to share with you. Let me show you how. Now I have my sugar here. This 1 tablespoon of sugar. I have black pepper and salt, and then I also have baking powder. I have about half cup of milk. This milk is very cold. Then 1 large egg. I have my flour. This is plain flour. Use any one you have. Then I have my cornmeal here. I didn't have the yellow one, so I'll be using turmeric for that. I went in to crack my egg, and then only to see that there was something in it. It's not bad, but there was something in it, so I just picked it out and set it aside. Then I added my sugar, the milk, and then the seasonings, that is the salt and the black pepper. I stirred on that very well. Once everything came together, I then went ahead to add in my turmeric powder for the color, because maize meal is always yellow, the one they use for cornbread. I didn't have that, so we have to improvise. So I added turmeric. After that, I went in with my flour, then the maize meal, and then I'm going to stir until I get a batter. Before I'm done, I'll add in my baking powder, continue to stir, and then once I'm done, I will just put it straight into the fridge. While it is resting in the fridge for about 15 minutes, I will get out my skewer and then the hot dog that will be using the sausage. These are the ones I'll be using, their chicken sausage. I didn't have the shorter skewer, so I'm going to just cut these ones until I get the size that I want. I'm just cutting them into 3. We don't want it too long and too short, so just this way. I'm going to then go ahead to set that aside, and I'll bring the sausage and begin to trim it. Welcome to my channel, everyone. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. My returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting my channel. I really appreciate that, and do not take it for granted. Thank you so much for stopping by to always watch. Please remember to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now you want to get the skewer and just put it in like this, like a lolly. And when you have this, it's time to put your batter into a deep bowl or a cup, just the way I'm doing here. Be careful so that it doesn't spill. Once you're done putting everything into the cup, you're then going to go ahead to get your corn dogs. You're going to get your sausage. The first time I did, it fell into the bowl. Well, I have to fish it out and then fix it, because that one wasn't that strong. So after fixing that, make sure at this point your oil is already heated up. When you are putting them on the stick, your oil should be heating up at that point, so that once you're done, you will just start dipping them in the batter and going straight away to fry. Then you're going to keep flipping it from time to time and keep on adding it, and until you're done frying them. Let it be golden brown. It should take you about 6 minutes, and you should have this. Look at this. We are done. This snack can be for your movie night, any family get together. This can be as a starter. It's going to be very lovely. I bite into it and look at how tasty that looks, and guys, it was really delicious. My kid nearly finished it that evening. I had to take it away from them so they will not eat so much, but look at how well this is looking. And yeah, we've just made ourselves this delicious snack for our movie night or whatever we want to have it for. You can do it as a school snack and all that for the kid. They will love it. And yes guys, with that, we've come to the end of this recipe today. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell and also share this video, like and comment. I will see you all in my next video, but until then, always remember that Jesus loves you so much. Bye.